Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot how to fix the Shiba TV not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: power the Cycle TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in and press the power button. Number 2. Check the power indicator. If the standby light is off, the TV may not be receiving power. Ensure the power cord is securely connected and the outlet is functional. Number 3. Inspect the remote control. Replace the remote batteries. Try turning on the TV using the power button on the TV itself. Number 4. Unplug external devices. Disconnect all external devices, for example HDMI cable, USB drivers. Attempt to power on the TV without them connected. Number 5. Perform a hard reset. With the TV unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Release the button. Plug the TV back in and try turning it on. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.